Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to use Lendingclub for working capital financing. Working capital is the lifeblood of any business, covering short-term expenses such as payrolls, rent, inventories, and unexpected costs. Lendingclub provides financing solutions that can be used to strengthen your working capital, ensuring smoother cash flow when business revenues fluctuate. To explore this option, start by logging into your Lendingclub business account, and then navigate to the business loan section and review the financing product available. Working capital financing through Lendingclub usually comes in the form of small business loans or lines of credit. These products are designed to provide flexible access to funds that can be applied to day-to-day operating needs rather than long-term investing. When applying, you're going to be asked to provide standard business documentation such as revenue records, tax returns, and ownership details. Lendingclub uses this information along with your credit profile to determine eligibility and loan terms. Approval decisions are typically faster than traditional banks, which makes Lendingclubs appealing for businesses that need quick access to cash. Once approved, funds are deposited directly into your Lendingclub business bank accounts. You can then use the money to cover immediate expenses, taking advantage of short-term opportunities, or to bridge seasonal revenue gaps. Repayment terms are clear and structured, allowing you to budget with confidence. It's important to only borrow what you need and ensure prepayments won't create additional financial strain. By using Lendingclub strategically, working capital financing can help to stabilize your business operations, keeping you focused on growth rather than cash shortages. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.